In our Parashat Vayechi, we have the last words of Yaakov Avinu to the Shvatim as he blesses them. The last blessing of his life, and the Pasuk Lamed Gimal says, Vayechal Yaakov letzavot et banav. He finished commanding his children. The tzava'ah comes from that language, tzava'ah. V'yesof raglav el hamita. He gathered himself to the bed, vayigva v'yasef el amav, and he passed away. And the word letzavot, aside from the regular translation that we have as tzava'ah, commanding the last directives of life that the person gives to their children, says the Shlah Kadosh comes from the language of tzevet. Tzevet means friendship and companionship. It's to be the mitzvah, says the Shlah Kadosh. It's not just a commandment. It's something that accompanies you along the way. That's tzevet. That's the language of the mitzvah. And in an amazing way, this letzavot et banav, this is the last time that Yaakov is accompanying his children along the journey of their life along the way. And Yaakov Avinu, being the father of Shvatim, the Midrash tells us, he tells the children at the very end of his life that when you're together, when you are united together, no force could destroy you. That power of tzevet, of friendship, of companionship, is very much part and parcel of this. For a parent, as they accompany their children during the course of their life, is not just the directives, commandments, giving over the family's tradition and mindset over to the children, but it's being there for them. The recognition that we accompany our children along the way, and it's a job that parents have to make sure that the child feels that they have somebody walking with them during the course of the lifetime. And the tzava'ah, those words that you give of blessing at the end of life, is something that accompanies the children even after life. And that's something important for all of us to encounter and to bear in mind, that the life that we have with the children is not merely a parent-child relationship. It's something that accompanies them during the course of their life. Words that we say, lessons that they learn from quiet moments even, are things that accompany them during their life, even after we are no longer there to be with them. Those are the lighting words that light their way throughout their life. It's the same thing with the mitzvot. There's something that accompanies us with our life here, and even after Ma'av Yisrim, the only thing that accompanies us, that's with us for the world to come, Be'ezrat Hashem, for all of us. Amen.